Hello, my name is Deeksha. I work for different climate movements. Today here I am at Vizag, which is my native place, fighting against the AI data centers that are coming up. These data centers, specifically the Google Hyperscale Data Center, is coming up in 3 sites in Visakhapatnam, which is one is in Advivaram in Mursalova, the second one is in Rambili, which is in the Anakapalli district, and the third one is in Tarluvada, which is in the Anandapuram Mandal. We are opposing these projects because we have seen the harmful effects that it has had on the people across the world. We have seen examples in the United States, we have seen examples in Berlin, we have seen examples in countries which share similar climates like us, like Spain and Brazil, where people have come together collectively and have pushed these data centers out of their communities as they saw many harms that are coming to their health, coming to the environment, coming to their daily livelihoods, especially for those of the farmers. Today we are here opposing these AI data centers in Visakhapatnam because we can see the amount of procedural violations that have happened to get the lands for this and to begin constructions. Clearances given in 9 days, farmers displaced, a lot of violations without any consent, without taking the proper consultation from the people of Visakhapatnam. The government has moved forward with these projects in order to be enabling the big tech companies to fulfill their greed. Here in Visakhapatnam, we have a couple of demands that we want people to also amplify and show solidarity for. The first one is to ask the government to hold a public hearing with the common people of Vizag and understand, is this something that we actually want? Ensure that there is proper transparency. Till date, we do not know how much of the water is required for cooling in these particular data centers. We keep being told that environmental clearances have been done properly, environmental impact assessments have been done properly, along with social impact assessments. However, we do not see any proper evidences of it. Second is proper compensation for the displaced farmers of Tarluvada. 2.5 acres of each farmer has been taken away to build this data center that is not going to provide any jobs or any benefits for the communities around them. There have been no proper upskilling initiatives. There have been nothing that has been given to them, only has been taken through them through systematic coercion. We have seen police being cracking down on them. We have seen the farmers' resistance being constantly clamped down through other forces which are external and which are not in their control. To ensure that these farmers have a good and a sustainable life, we urge the people to show solidarity by demanding the government to give them the compensation that they very much deserve, which is compensatory land, proper jobs for each household, and to be able to ensure that they get proper compensation. Each farmer getting 40 lakhs per acre in a market like this is not okay, and anybody who's in real estate will tell you that is not the price for an acre of land in which an almost $15 billion project investment is being built. Google has enough money to be able to compensate the right people and to be able to ensure that sustainable development ensues. However, we want right now for these data center constructions to be halted. We want proper public consultation to be happening along with the concerned authorities, which is the municipal development corporations or the government or the proper GVMC, which is the Visakhapatnam Municipal Corporation. We want to ensure that we as people of Vizag have proper transparency of what the details of this upcoming projects are, so that we can decide if we want these or not. The government should not speak for the people and constantly tell it is for our good, as this does not even create proper jobs. On an analysis of all the environmental clearances for these 3 sites, we found out only 1,725 jobs are being created, which are permanent, which will employ people for 365 days. However, in their official documents, the government keeps saying it will generate 1.8 lakh jobs. But most of these jobs are construction jobs which will fall after an 18 to 24 month period, which ends in 2028. A $15 billion investment is not proportionate to the amount of jobs it is generating or the amount of destruction that it is doing to the environment. Nothing should be compromised when it comes to the matters of the people and planet. So we urge people around the world, around the country, to show solidarity with us, help us question the government to take the right accountability, answer the people's questions, and to make sure that we are able to halt the construction of these disastrous data centers, to be able to preserve the environment of Vizag, to be able to preserve the lives of the people of Vizag, to be able to preserve the rights of the farmers of Vizag. Thank you, and please show us solidarity.